Directrix lies in the negative side of the y-axis. Latus rectum lies on the positive side of the y-axis. The characteristics of the parabola is given. We have to write the equation of the parabola. X square is equal to minus 16y. So clearly we can compare this equation. X square is equal to minus 4ay. So this is the standard form of the equation of downward parabola. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So, in our previous session, we have studied about the conic section and parabola. So, here we have also learned about the four special types of parabola, that is right-handed parabola, left-handed parabola, upward parabola and downward parabola. Also, the characteristics of these parabolas. So, in this session, we will be studying about the characteristics of parabola. Suppose any equation of a parabola is given. Assuming that equation, we will be studying the characteristic based on whether on which type of parabola it belongs to, and also about the equations of parabola. That is, whenever any characteristics is given, then how to frame or how to write an equation of a parabola using those characteristics. Let's study this now. The very first question here is given. If the length of the latus rectum of y square is equal to 8kx is 4, find k. So clearly, this is an equation of the form y square is equal to 4ax. And we know that the length of the latus rectum is given by 4a. So here, now we can clearly see here 4a is equal to 8k. So what we can write, they have given that 4a is equal to 4. They have given the length of latus rectum 4a is equal to 4 here. So what we can write, 8k is equal to 4 we have. So this implies k is equal to 4 divided by 8, which is equal to half. So the value of k is equal to half. So let's see the type 1 problems now. Let's look at the first question now. So the first question is y square is equal to 8x. Let us compare this to the equation of the form y square is equal to 4ax. So clearly y square is equal to 4ax is the right-handed parabola. So let's write the characteristics of this right-handed parabola. So we can write, comparing this, we get 4a is equal to 8 implies a is equal to 2. Now we got a is equal to 2. We can write the vertex, focus, equation of directrix, equation of latus rectum, coordinates of latus rectum. So how is my right-handed parabola? So clearly it is symmetric towards x-axis and we have a directrix here. Let this be a focus, which is at a distance a. This is a now. Even this distance is a. So we have a directrix which passes through the focus and perpendicular to the axis of parabola. Let's write the characteristics. First, vertex, which is 0, 0. Vertex is always at the origin. Next, focus. We write it as f. Focus a, 0. That is 2, 0. Next is equation of directrix. So it is behind the y-axis, that is negative side of the x-axis. So it is x is equal to minus a. Next, we'll write equation of latus rectum. So the latus rectum is on the positive side. So it is x is equal to a on the x-axis. Next, we'll write length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is 4a. Here 4a is equal to 8. Next is coordinates of latus rectum, that is One is a comma 2a and the another is a comma minus 2a. So this implies 2 comma 4 and 2 comma minus 4. Next, axis of parabola. So axis of parabola is x-axis, whose equation is y is equal to 0, and tangent to parabola is y-axis, whose equation is x is equal to 0. So these are the characteristics of this equation given y square is equal to 8x. Let's see the second one. X square is equal to 6y. So this you can compare with x square is equal to 4ay. So clearly it is an upward parabola. So upward parabola means symmetric towards y-axis. So x-axis becomes the tangent. So directrix is here. Latus rectum at a distance a. Let this be a focus. So this is the directrix. Directrix lies in the negative side of the y-axis. Latus rectum lies on the positive side of the y-axis. Now let's write it. So we have 4a is equal to 6 here. This implies a is equal to 6 divided by 4, which implies 2 by 3. So the value of a is 2 by 3. Let's write the vertex. Vertex is v 0, 0. Focus, you can write F or S, any focus you can write. Focus lies on y-axis. So on the y-axis, x value is 0 and you can write a as 2 by 3 because focus lies in the positive side of the y-axis. Next, equation of directrix. Directrix lies on the negative side of the y-axis. That means we are writing the equation as, so y is equal to, this is minus 2 by 3. Next, axis of parabola. Which is the axis of parabola? It is y-axis because the curve is symmetric towards y-axis. So it is y-axis whose equation is x is equal to 0. Tangent of parabola is x-axis whose equation is y is equal to 0. Now about the latus rectum. So we have equation of latus rectum. Latus rectum lies on the positive side at a distance 2 by 3. So the equation is y is equal to 2 by 3. Next, length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is 4a, which is equal to, here 4a is equal to 6. Next, coordinates of latus rectum. So how we can write the coordinates of latus rectum? On here it is 2a comma a and minus 2a comma a. So let's see what is a. A is 2 by 3. So 2a becomes 4 by 3. So it is 4 by 3 comma 2 by 3 and minus 4 by 3 comma 2 by 3. Because only the x coordinates are positive and negative, y coordinates are positive. So therefore it is 2 by 3 on either side and 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3. So these are the characteristics of the given equation. The next question, y square is equal to minus 12x. So compared to the equation, y square is equal to minus 4ax. So clearly it is a left side or left-handed parabola. So it is symmetric towards x-axis on the negative side. Directrix lies on the positive side. Latus rectum side lies on the negative side. So clearly let's write what is 4a. 4a is equal to 12. Don't write it as minus 12 because we are comparing with minus 4ax. So just only equate 4a is equal to 12. Now this implies a is equal to 3. So now what is vertex? It is 0, 0. What is focus? So since we have negative, so a here must be written in the negative value. So therefore the focus becomes here minus 3, 0. Because the focus lies on the negative side of the x-axis. So therefore the value must be minus 3. Next, equation of directrix. Equation of directrix is, here it lies on the right side of the y-axis, that means on the positive side of the x-axis. So this is a equation whose value is x is equal to 3. Next, axis is x-axis, tangent is y-axis, here capital X. Next, equation of latus rectum. Latus rectum lies on the negative side of the axis. So therefore, its equation is x is equal to minus 3. Length will be, length of latus rectum is 4a. So here 4a is equal to 12. Next, coordinates will be, coordinates of latus rectum. Here minus a comma 2a and minus a comma minus 2a. So a is equal to 3, minus 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma minus 6. So this is the coordinates of the latus rectum. So these two coordinates. So this is clearly the left side of the parabola. Next, x square is equal to minus 16y. So clearly we can compare this equation, x square is equal to minus 4ay. So this is the standard form of the equation of downward parabola which is symmetric towards y-axis. So here is the directrix, this is the latus rectum. Focus lies on the negative side of y-axis, directrix on the positive side, latus rectum on the negative side. So let's write what is 4a. 4a is equal to 16. This implies a is equal to 4. So therefore vertex is origin. Focus here on the y value, it is 0 for x and it is minus 4. 0 comma minus 4. Now equation of directrix. Equation of directrix is, the directrix is parallel to x-axis. So therefore its equation is y is equal to 4. Next, axis of parabola is y-axis and tangent to parabola is x-axis. Next we will write equation of latus rectum. So this is equal to, latus rectum lies here and parallel to x-axis. So therefore it is y is equal to minus 4. Next we have length. Length of latus rectum is 4a which is equal to 16. Next we come across coordinates of latus rectum. 2a comma minus a and minus 2a comma minus a. So 2a is 8 comma minus 4 and minus 8 comma minus 4. So these are the characteristics of the given parabola. Next we have y square is equal to 16x. Clearly compare this equation to y square is equal to 4ax. So we got 4a is equal to 16. This implies a is equal to 4 here. So it is clearly right-handed parabola. So let's write the vertex 0, 0. Focus, it is 4, 0. Equation of directrix. Directrix will be on the negative side of x-axis. So the equation is x is equal to minus 4. Next, axis is x-axis. Tangent is y-axis. Equation of latus rectum. It lies on the positive side of x-axis. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Length of latus rectum. that is nothing but 4a, which is equal to 16. Coordinates of LR is a comma 2a and a comma minus 2a, which is nothing but 4 comma 8 and 4 comma minus 8. So these are the characteristics of the given parabola. So the next question we have 3x square is equal to minus 8y. Let us reduce this equation. X square is equal to minus 8 by 3y. So here we can compare this equation to x square is equal to minus 4ay. So this implies 4a is equal to 8 by 3. So when you cancel, this gives you a is equal to 2 by 3. Now clearly it is a downward parabola which is symmetric towards y-axis. So this is what my required parabola. So let's write the vertex. It is 0, 0. Let's write the focus 0 because it lies on the x-axis, and it is minus 2 by 3 because the focus is on negative side of the y-axis. Next, equation of directrix. Directrix lies on the positive side of the y-axis. So therefore it is y is equal to 2 by 3. Which is the axis of parabola? Axis of parabola is y-axis and tangent to parabola is x-axis. Next we come across the lattice rectum. So equation of lattice rectum. Equation of lattice rectum. Because lattice rectum lies on the negative side, its equation is y is equal to minus 2 by 3. Next we will move for length of lattice rectum, which is 4a, whose value is 8 by 3. Next, coordinates or ends of lattice rectum. It is 2a comma minus a and minus 2a comma minus a. So which can be written as a is 2 by 3. So 2a is 4 by 3 comma minus 2 by 3 and minus 4 by 3 comma minus 2 by 3. So these are the characteristics. So whenever the equations are given, just reduce it into one of the standard form and compare it. Next question, 3x square plus 4y is equal to 0. So let's write this. 3x square is equal to minus 4y. X square is equal to minus 4 by 3y. So we can compare this to x square is equal to minus 4ay. So this implies 4a is equal to 4 by 3 or a is equal to 1 by 3. So clearly this is also of the form of downward parabola. So which is symmetric towards y-axis. So this is what my required parabola. So vertex is 0, 0. Focus is 0, minus 1 by 3. Equation of directrix here is y is equal to 1 by 3. Axis of parabola is y-axis. Tangent to the parabola is x-axis. Equation of lattice rectum is y is equal to minus 1 by 3. Length of lattice rectum is 4a, which is equal to 4 by 3. Coordinates of lattice rectum is 2a comma minus a and minus 2a comma minus a, which is nothing but here 2 by 3 comma minus 1 by 3 and minus 2 by 3 comma minus 1 by 3. So these are the given characteristics. So by knowing the standard form of the parabola, we can identify whether it is a right-handed parabola, left-handed parabola, upward parabola or downward parabola. So using those concepts, we can write all the characteristics of the given parabola. So next we come across a different types of question. Here the characteristics of the parabola is given. We have to write the equation of the parabola. So any two characteristics will be given. Identifying that, we should write whether it is a right-handed, left-handed, upward or downward parabola. We should use the standard form of those parabolas. Let's see here. Type 2. Find the standard equation of the parabola whenever the vertex and focus are given. So, let's see the first question. Vertex is 0, 0, focus is 3, 0. So, vertex is always, as I said, it will be origin. Focus is given here is 3, 0. That means focus lies on the x-axis and it is on the positive side of the x-axis. So, therefore, this implies A is equal to 3, which implies right-handed parabola. So, what is the standard equation of the right-handed parabola? So, therefore, it will be y square is equal to 4ax. We know the value of a is equal to 3. So, therefore, the equation of the given standard of the parabola is y square is equal to 12x. So, this is the equation of the parabola. Let's see the next question. Vertex is origin, focus is minus 6, 0. So, clearly here it is minus a is given. That means the focus lies on the negative side of the x-axis. So, here is my focus. So, therefore, a is equal to minus 6 implies left-handed parabola. Left-handed parabola. And here it lies on x-axis. This is also important. So, whether the coordinate of x is given or y is given. If x is given, it lies on the x-axis. If y is given, it lies on the y-axis. So, therefore, it lies on the x-axis on the negative side. Hence, it is left-handed parabola here. So, this is minus a actually. So, minus a is equal to minus 6 lies on x-axis. So, therefore, we can write here a is equal to 6. So, therefore, the standard form of the parabola is y square is equal to minus 4ax. So, this implies y square is equal to minus a is 6. So, it is minus 24x. So, minus a is given. So, write it as minus a is equal to minus 6. Next, vertex is given, focus is given 0, 3. Y value is positive. So, that means the focus lie on the positive side of y-axis and it is upward parabola. So, a is equal to 3 lies on y-axis. So, this implies upward parabola. What is the standard equation of the upward parabola? Therefore, it is x square is equal to 4ay. So, therefore, the equation of the parabola is x square is equal to a is 3. So, 4 into 3, it is 12. So, the equation is x square is equal to 12y. Next question. Vertex is at the origin, focus is 0, minus 8. So, here minus a is given. So, minus a means it lies on the negative side of the y-axis. So, therefore, it is downward parabola. Here is minus a comes on the y-axis. So, minus a is equal to minus 8 lies on y-axis. So, therefore, here I can write a is equal to 8. So, the given parabola is downward parabola. What is the equation of the downward parabola? It is x square is equal to minus 4ay. This implies the equation is x square is equal to a is 8, 4 8s are 32, it is minus 32y. So, this is the equation of the given parabola. Next one, vertex is 0, focus is given. So, clearly a is given. First is a. So, a is 4. So, lies on x-axis. So that means focus lies on x-axis. So this implies what? It is right-handed parabola. So what is the standard form of this equation? It is y square is equal to 4ax. So this implies y square is equal to 16x. So this is the given equation of the parabola. It cuts at the origin. Focus means 0, 6. Here y coordinate is given and it is positive. So that means A is equal to 6 lies on y axis. And it is positive. So this is positive. So therefore it lies on the upward side of the y-axis. So this implies the given parabola is upward parabola. What is the standard form of the upward parabola? It is x square is equal to 4ay. So this implies x square is equal to 6 is given. So 24y. So this is the standard form of the parabola. So by studying the characteristics, we can write the equation, and by looking at the equation, we can write the characteristics of the standard form of the parabolas. We'll meet you in the next session with few more problems. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.